Hey, Granny from the Surface Saver, professional bath, sink and shower tray repairs and resurfacing service. Now we get calls from customers asking our opinion about small repair kits. Unfortunately, the answer on the repair kits is a big no. We've not found a repair kit on the market that's worth any kind of money. But don't worry, we'll show you why the repair kits don't quite work in this video. But if you're a fairly competent DIYer, we'll also show you another way of getting a great looking shower tray again. Okay, so these are all the products that I would need as a professional in order to do even a small chip or crack repair in a customer's house. So you've got the etch there, that deglazes the material. You need to do that, otherwise the new material won't stick properly. You've got the drill. Sometimes you need to make the damage a little bit bigger in order to get the filler to stick in there. Then you've got the fillers. You've got a general, you've got a structural repair filler there for cracks, and then you've got a fine filler there, and various grades of wet and dry paper. That's a wipe-on bonder to make sure the primer sticks. Then you've got a primer to make sure the top coat sticks. Then you've got the top coat. There's a high shine top coat finish, and various tints there. Even I need those tints even just to colour match even the basic white. And then you've got compressor with a spray gun, and with the sprays, some of the aerosols especially, they're quite harmful, so you need an extractor and a mask as well. So I don't see how you can replace all these products with a little DIY repair kit. Resurfacing's different though. I can quite happily resurface the shower tray with just the products that are in that box. So continue watching and we'll show you how. Now you may be thinking, hang on, he's saying don't buy a small DIY repair kit, but do buy a full DIY resurfacing kit. And you'd be right. All the products that we've shown you so far are to tackle two issues that can only really be tackled properly by a professional repairer. Firstly, how well the repair sticks. That's the deglazing, that's the drilling to make the repair worse so the filler sticks, that's the wipe-on bonder. And secondly, how well it colour matches. Without a really good colour matched repair, it's going to stand out a mile. But with full resurfacing and the DIY kit that we'll show you, you don't have to worry about these two issues, which makes it a much better option for DIYers in order to get a great looking shower tray. Continue watching and we'll show you how it's done.